know some of you like to see more of the windshield and some of you like to see more of the wheel. It's all personal preference. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to test out the different settings on my GoPro Hero 12 Black. I think that's what it is. So this is the hyperview setting. Usually I set on wide. We're going to try out hyperview, we're going to try out super wide, and we're going to try out wide. And I want you guys to comment below and let me know what your favorite setting is for me to use. I know everybody's different. But I'm interested to hear your thoughts, so please comment below. Or if you do any POV drives yourself, let me know what you like to use, what camera you use. Again, this is GoPro Hero 12 Black, and this is the HV setting. Wait for this guy jogging right here. Always be respectful. Always be respectful to people on the road. Whether it's a jogger, whether it's a biker. So what do you guys think? Is there too much distortion with this setting? It's supposed to feel faster on this setting, or appear to look like I'm going faster than I actually am. I don't know where you guys are. I'm in Southern Maryland and we are experiencing a heat wave. Yesterday was 98 degrees. It is well into the 80s already, and it is only 8 o'clock, 8:20. It's still early. So we're in for another hot one today. Great thing about having a slow car, you can push it a little bit. You can push it and you're not going to automatically end up in jail. So you got to love that. So we're going to pull in here and turn around. All right, we switched to SV. Also, pros and cons. If you're an expert on this, comment below. I want to know the pros and cons of the different settings, what you think they are. It's a beautiful day. It really is amazing what they can do with these tiny cameras now. I know some of you like to see more of the windshield and some of you like to see more of the wheel. It's all personal preference. Everybody's a little different. Car's running like a champ. Wanted to get out early and do this, no traffic, and then, you know, obviously it's going to be super hot today. And you don't want to drive your car hard on a super hot day. Although I'm not really driving it hard. So SV, I think that stands for Super View. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm always forgetting stuff. I'm not an expert driver either. I'm just a guy that loves cars, and hopefully we can share our love for cars together. Got this car in the way now here, but that's okay. Also, what kind of camera do you guys use? If you're not using a GoPro, what are you using? Insta360, I know a lot of people like that. Anybody have any experience with drones? I'm actually thinking about or looking into getting a drone. I mean, you can do amazing things with drones now. I want to say it's, for the tech you can get in a drone is 50% of what it cost back in 2019. I mean, it's wild what you can do with those things. So, thinking about getting one of those, probably like a mid-tier, mid-grade drone, because you know, I don't need to have the best stuff, and then I don't want to buy it. What if I buy it and I never use it? I don't want to spend too much money. SV setting, what do you guys think? Maybe I should switch to this one. I don't know. I'll have to look at the footage. I usually shoot in wide for my POVs and linear when I'm just vlogging, because I don't like the camera distortion when I'm vlogging. And now we're going to switch to wide, which is what I normally do my POVs in. Well, we got this car in the way right here. I don't know what's going on with this guy. shooting in wide now, which is what I normally shoot in, or what I have shot in so far in my POV drives. That was the first time, today was the first time I ever shot in the other modes. So this is, if you watch my other videos, this is what you normally see. And if anybody's wondering what kind of microphone I'm using, it's a Rode Wireless Go, which is great microphone, great battery life. Had it for a couple of years and it's been fantastic. Although for me to connect the second one, I have to buy the Rode Wireless Go 2, which is kind of a bummer. But it's amazing. It's another thing, microphones, everything has come so far. It's pretty wild. So what do you guys think? Should I stick with this? This is really probably the closest true to POV right here with the wide setting. So what do you think? This is the wide mode, the standard wide mode. Do you guys like this? Should I continue with this? Do you want to see super view or hyper view? I'm thinking I'm going to like super view, so we may switch to doing super view for the POV drives. So what do you guys think? Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We've got lots of fun stuff coming. We're going to do more detailing stuff, more POV stuff, car reviews. We've got some fun cars scheduled. I know I'm behind on that. It's just been tough to schedule with my friends. So we're going to start driving lots of fun or riding along in lots of fun cars. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.